Welcome to Enventions, the YouTube channel where we explore the latest and most innovative gadgets and inventions. Today, we are going to talk about a new and fantastic innovation, MOZA AI RoboHands. It is a high-tech, innovative 4D massager that provides you with a completely relaxing and refreshing experience. MOZA AI RoboHands is an advanced massager that can massage your entire body while being placed in your hands. Its technology is so effective that you will experience the pleasure just like having a professional masseuse. MOZA AI RoboHands comes with 4D massage technology, which provides you with a deep tissue massage, kneading, rolling, and shiatsu massage experience. This massager is AI-powered, allowing it to detect your body's pressure points and tension areas to provide you with a personalized massage experience. You can customize the speed, intensity, and massage style of MOZA AI RoboHands according to your preferences. You can use this massager at home, in the office, or anywhere you like. It is lightweight and portable, giving you the convenience of relaxation wherever you go. MOZA AI RoboHands has a long battery life, ensuring you can enjoy uninterrupted massages for a long time. MOZA AI RoboHands aims to revolutionize the way people experience massages by combining cutting-edge technology with convenience and personalization. It offers the convenience of having a professional massage at your fingertips, providing relaxation and relief from stress and tension.
Wow! This is amazing! It's really strong, it's really good. Not too much pressure, I like it.
Oh my gosh, this is really good.
Wow, this is nice. Like, especially because I work behind a desk. This is what I need all the time.
That's really good. Just touching the right spots.
Is it warming too?
Yeah.
Warming since? Oh, okay. I'm in love. I'm in love.
Oh, it's amazing. It does the things that the finger, whenever you go to a massage, like a relaxing massage.
Well, you just saying that, and I'm standing up straight now. It's actually helping me, align my posture a little bit.
I feel a lot less tension here,
Okay.
It just feels like it moves more.
I really like the feeling of my back also getting loose, a little bit less of tension, and the heat is really nice.
If you also want to experience the joy of MOZA AI RoboHands, you can visit the Kickstarter campaign page. There, you can support this innovation and take advantage of early bird offers and discounts. The link is provided in the description. So, friends, that was MOZA AI RoboHands, a high-tech, innovative 4D massager. If you want to get rid of stress and have a unique massage experience, then MOZA AI RoboHands is perfect for you. Thank you, and see you in the next video.